Aave is likely to advance 2.6% by May 13, according to Gulf Capital Collector. But before we go deeper, let's check what's unfolding right now. Based on the current data, Aave has increased 0.2% since yesterday and trades near $99.85. Let's head into the forecast segment. Tomorrow, Crypto Predictions expects the asset to trade around $97.56, down by 2.3%. Coin Price Forecast expects a move higher for Aave to $100, an increase near 0.2%. Coin Data Flow highlights the potential to reach up to $100.68, a rise estimated at 0.9%. Another analysis from Gulf Capital Collector highlights Aave could move upward toward $102.41, roughly 2.6% higher. To finish, 30 Rates expects the price at $107 by May 13, which is 7.2% higher than the current price. This is the top return forecast we have seen. The analyst views are clear. Let's take the next step. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a drop of 2.3% to a gain of 7.2%, depending on the analyst. When everything is tallied, 30 Rates has the top return with 7.2% escalation in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $2 and $72 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the probabilities, Coin Price Forecast has the forecast most likely to succeed with an 88.7% chance. By merging all the forecasts, I've created a single consensus view. Consensus trends suggest Aave could move upward by 1.7% toward $101.53. Okay, let's take a closer look. The consensus figure shows the price moving up 1.7% by tomorrow. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 1.7% change. A 1,000 allocation could potentially bring about $17 in return. So the chance of the consensus forecast playing out stands near 78.7%. To put it in perspective, here's what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. Crypto Predictions anticipates Aave heading south. A climb is highlighted by Coin Price Forecast, pointing to bullish sentiment. Coin Data Flow expects a bearish continuation. The near-term direction noted by Gulf Capital Collector is up. Likewise, 30 Rates sees the chart leaning upward. Collectively, the forecasts show Aave with upside momentum. Looking across the different projections, the overall picture reveals that most analysts lean bullish, with Aave seen on a rising track. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we compare them with yesterday's outcome. At the end of the day, the market recorded $101.20. 3 of 5 forecasts were right about the move. Measured by accuracy, 30 Rates ended up the best. Let's look at the results more closely. In the end, just one prediction was inside the daily range. As for ROI, a few forecasts showed profits, with Coin Data Flow leading the way. Here's the recap. All outcomes combined into one table. Looking at the verified numbers, CoinLore showed minus 5.8% ROI and $5.61 accuracy. See if your guess matches what really played out on the chart. Now take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow vary across different assets and Aave. In the latest forecast comparison, Aave stays below PEEP, which projects 3.1% return. This comparison features Aave with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. You made it all the way through. Thank you for watching. If this was useful, leave a like. It means a lot. Bye.